Hello, this is Ruben Luna, Director of America's Distribution Sales, and today I have with me...
I'm Bill Pawlak. I'm the Senior Vendor Business Manager at Ingram Micro, responsible for the Veeam relationship.
Bill, it's great to see you.
Great to see you too, Ruben.
Yeah, thank you for taking the time to chat with us today.
I appreciate it. It's been nice to be here in Miami.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
So Bill, your team, Ingram Micro, works with thousands of resellers every single day, and you're on the forefront of what's really happening in the market. So I wanted to just, for you to spend some time sharing with the audience, what are some of the trends you're seeing? What are some of the challenges partners are facing every day, and how is Ingram helping engage with those partners, enable them, and really allow them to build up their business with Veeam and be successful?
Sure. So, things like machine learning, mobility, IoT are really, they're creating more and more data, right? And we're seeing that data sprawl across multiple platforms, right? So partners are looking for is a solution that helps them not only provide availability for that data, but also to manage it. And that's where we see our partnership with Veeam, is where we can work with our partners as well as Veeam to really bring that solution to market, because you guys are really the leader in availability as well as management. Absolutely.
No, I mean, I think the theme at the event is the opportunity, the amount of data that's being driven in our lives is really creating a demand, right? And really it's about that solution selling, of going out for partners to not just pitch the point product, but actually the solution. So what type of programs are you working on with partners to help them build out their business and really kind of enable them from a Veeam perspective?
Yeah, so Ingram Micro has an Evolve program. Really, in our Evolve program works with partners to educate as well as invest in them to drive their Veeam business. So we work with partners both small and large, and depending on which way they want to go to market, if it's from a managed service provider or an on-premise, we really work to make sure that they are given the tools to take those solutions to market and then investing in them so that they can go out and drive the Veeam message.
Terrific. And our fastest growing part of the business is with cloud. Is there anything that you can speak to and share on what you're doing from working with our VCSP service provider partners? Yeah,
so part of Evolve, we actually have a specific program to Veeam's cloud and service provider business. We have the RAMP program. What the RAMP program does is look at the size of the managed service provider. So if they're just starting off, we're looking to invest in them, help them identify opportunities, and really start to begin to build their managed service. On the higher end, when they're already an established managed service provider, we're looking to help them identify new customers, make sure that they have the certifications that they need so that they can provide availability and management to their partners.
Awesome. No, that's fantastic. And that's really where we're looking for distribution to engage, because we know that you can add value up and down the stack in these emerging areas. And another emerging area for us is really looking at the licensing model. And we're seeing huge adoption with subscription, right? Customers are wanting more flexibility in terms of not only the license term, but also how they're managing those licenses. And with the introduction of instance licensing early this year, share with us a little bit about how that adoption has been and what have you done to work with partners to enable them so they're ready to share it and feel confident putting it in front of their customers.
Yeah, I think right now flexibility is the main thing, in personal life as well as in business. And when we look at it from an overall standpoint, Veeam is really an innovator. Providing a subscription-based license as well as an instance-based license. We see this data sprawl across multiple platforms, and sometimes they need a solution that can go across multiple platforms, but still enable their customer from an overall standpoint. Some of the things that Ingram Micro is doing is we actually have a tool called RenewView. This enables partners to manage their subscription as well as their renewals from an automated standpoint, as well as customize it to make sure that it fits their business need and their end user's business need.
Yeah, outstanding. It drives a lot of efficiency, right? Because there's a lot of automation that goes along with
that.
Yes,
it's an automated tool where partners can really log in, identify what type of renewals and subscription they're looking to manage, and customize it to their business so it's mostly the most effective for them.
Terrific. Awesome. Well, thanks for the time today. It's always a pleasure catching up with you, Bill, and we're looking forward to continuing the partnership and making this an outstanding year.
Thank you for the invite and being here at VeeamON, and the partnership is always great.
Terrific. All right. Well, thank you, everyone. This is Ruben Luna signing off from VeeamON. Have a great day.